In this video, we are gonna learn how to plot the line graph and also what the function is. Function is like a machine. We are gonna learn this concept later. You put something in that it gives you something out. So it's called like input and an output. Every function takes an input and produces an output. And since this is the first time to learn a graph, let's start with some specific examples. Let's talk about how about this apples. Let's say you wanna buy apples and it costs $2 for every 1 kilo. Apple cost $2 for every 1 kilo. So if you wanna buy 1 kilogram of apples, then you have to pay $2. Then what about if you want to buy 2 kilograms? Then probably you have to pay like $4. So this could be a function, and we are gonna plot this line graph on this Cartesian plane. Um, oh, let's think about this one here. 1 kilo, $2, like 2 kilo. $4, go on and on and on. So we are gonna think this x as the weight, kilogram, and y will be the cost of apples. So when x equals 1, y equals the cost that you have to pay when you buy 1 kilogram of apples. So it's like 2. When x equals 2, y equals, that means you want to buy 2 kilograms of apples, then you have to pay $4. So we can write these things by using coordinates. So 1, 2, 2, 4. We learned this thing in the last video, like x comma y. So x value here, we usually write x value first and then write y value. And then we are gonna plot these 2 points. X equals 2, x equals 1, x is here, x, I mentioned that x is a horizontal line, and then y equals 2, 1,2, so we go 2 steps up. That's how we get 1,2. And the next one is 2,4. So yeah, just repeat the same process, 2 here, and then 4 steps up. So 4 is here. So we have 2,4. What about when x equals 3 then? Yeah, then like 1, you have to pay $2, 2 kilograms, you have to pay $4, 3 kilograms, you have to pay $6 here. So probably next point is here. Yeah, everything is great. But what about when I buy 1.5 kilograms? That means if you buy 1 kilogram, then you have to pay $2. So basically it's like 1 times 2. If we want to buy 2 kilograms, then you have to pay 4. It's like 2 times 2. Then probably when x equals 1.5, then y equals 2 times 1.5. So we will have to pay $3. Where is 1.5, by the way? 1.5 is here, right in the middle, between 1 and 2. Here 1.5. And so 1.5 and 3, So it's here. 1.53, so 1.5, comma 3. What about 1.1, 1.7, 2.1, blah, blah, blah. If you connect all these points, so if you connect all these points, that's how we get y equals 2x. Take a look. Each y value is exactly twice the x value. 2, 4, 1, 2. This one, I think like 1.53. So if you multiply these x values by 2, then you get the y values. So that's the pattern we've been spotting all along. If you have a look at this base of this problem, apples, they they cost $2 per 1 kilo, and if you multiply the kilogram of apples by 2, you get the cost in dollars, which is the y value. So that's why we draw the line that has y equals to x. So that's it for today's video. In the next one, we are gonna practice this a little bit with lots of examples. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Yep.